Hello friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. In this video I'm going to show you how to make quinoa veggie cheese balls. It has a very rich flavor and is packed with full of nutrition. Let's get started. I've taken quarter cup of quinoa. First we need to rinse this in the running water for at least 2 minutes. This will remove the outer shell. If the quinoa is not rinsed properly, then we'll get a bitter taste. For quarter cup of quinoa I'm going to add half cup of water. It is the same way how you cook the rice. Add a teaspoon of salt. Cover and cook this on a medium flame for 12 to 15 minutes. You can see the water is absorbed and the grain has become translucent and tender. It's now cooked. You can turn off the flame. I have already cut the veggies and kept them ready. I took 1 inch of ginger and chopped them finely. Quarter cup of onions, quarter cup of capsicum, 1 medium-sized carrot chopped finely, and few cilantros. Heat the pan and add a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add the ginger. Once it's fried, add the chopped onions and fry them until it changes its color. Add a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of pepper. Saute them for a minute and let's add the veggies, the chopped capsicum and carrot. You can also add beans and cabbage if you want. Cover and cook this for 3 minutes and the veggies will become soft. Take a mixing bowl and crack 2 eggs. Beat them well. Add the cooked quinoa. The cooked veggies. Finely chopped cilantro. And quarter cup of cheddar cheese. Mix everything well. The mixture is now ready. Grease the paniyaram pan with oil. Once it is hot, pour the batter to each mold. Cover and cook it on a low heat for 2 minutes. When the base becomes golden, flip them and cook on the other side. The quinoa cheese balls is cooked from both the sides. These tiny bites can be packed for the lunchbox or can be added as an evening snack. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel Fresh Bites.